Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can delete a Facebook page permanently. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So as you can see, we are on this page right now. All you have to do is you need to click on this icon over here and go to settings and privacy and click on settings, and we will wait for it to load. And once you are here, you simply click on privacy over here and click on Facebook page information. Now, as you can see, deactivation and deletion. So we will go ahead and click on view. It's taking some time because my internet is slow, I think so. And we'll click on delete page, and this is permanent. Okay, we will click on continue. Then again, we'll click on continue. And it's asking to input the password over here. So I will simply go ahead and input the password. For some reason, it's showing incorrect password. So yeah, because I had changed it. So as you can see, now it's giving me the option to delete. I'll simply go ahead and click continue. And as you can see, this page isn't available right now, so it's deleted. So this is all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.